I'm Susan. Today I'm going to be making a chocolate cake. It's Hershey's Perfectly Chocolate cake, and it's good. My husband has requested this. It's, I think, one of his favorite cakes next to the strawberry cake. And if you like content like this, please hit that subscribe button, ring that bell, give me a big thumbs up. It really helps my channel to grow. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, I have my oven heating to 350 degrees, and I have sprayed with the flour and oil Baker's Joy 2 9-inch pans. And I've got 2 cups of sugar, and to that I'm going to add 1 3/4 cup of plain flour or all-purpose flour. And then I'm going to add 1 1/2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 1/2 teaspoons of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of salt. And I'm just going to stir that in, mix it in together. Just a little bit. And to that I'm going to add 2 eggs, no shakes. Yeah, I did it. Alright, 2 eggs, my oil, which is a 1/2 cup of oil, and vanilla, and that is 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Oh, and I need to add my milk. And that is 1 cup of milk. And we want to beat that, on low or medium. Start off on low and go to medium for 2 minutes. Low to get it started, and then I just move up 1 and let it go for 2 minutes. So I'll be back. Got the most important ingredient, the cocoa. And I added 3/4 of a cup of cocoa. And I added in 1 of those quarters the dark chocolate. It just makes the cake richer to me. So, and we'll let that go for 2 minutes. Alright, now scrape down this. And now I want to add in 1 cup of boiling water. The batter's going to be very thin, and that's okay because that's going to make it moist. You're going to stir that in real good, get it all incorporated, and then pour it into your 2 9-inch pans. Good cake to go with vanilla ice cream. And this, it says to cook it for 30 to 35 minutes, but I always start checking mine at 20 because my oven cooks fast. So I'll see you when it's done. It took the 20 minutes to cook that one. That one's a little bit thicker and it took about 3 minutes more. But it didn't take nearly as long as it said, so always check your cakes early. If you start smelling them, it's a good time to start checking them. And I'm going to let these cool and then I'll make my icing. Okay, I've melted a stick of butter, and to that I'm going to add and stir in my cocoa. And that is 2/3 of a cup of cocoa. You just want to get it all mixed and combined. You have to get it. All right. Now I'm just going to alternately mix my 3 cups of flour and my 1/3 cup of milk. Just a teaspoon of vanilla, and if you need to add more milk you can, but I think this will be fine. I love my offset spatula for this. And that's powdered sugar if you're wondering. Get a good look. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps my channel to grow. And until next time, bye.